Good morning, my name is Teacher Doris and today we are going to learn the letter S and then we are going to have a review. The letter S has a sound. The letter S has a sound and the sound of the letter S is S. The sound of the letter S is S. Repeat after me. S as in seal. S as in seal. S as in seal. Very good. Now we are going to sing a song about the letter S. Okay, say bye to the S. And we are going to continue with the review. Circle the vowel you hear in this word. Okay, the first picture. Let's see, it's a wagon. What vowel can you hear in wagon? E, A, E. Yes, it's the vowel A. Good job. Vowel A. Vowel A. We have to circle the vowel A. A in wagon. Now we are going to continue with the next picture. And it's a truck. What vowel can you hear in truck? E? Mm-mm. O? Mm-mm. A? Yes. Ah, very good. The next one is a doll. Doll. What vowel can you hear in doll? E? Mm-mm. E? No. O? Yes. Doll. Very good. And the other one is a bear. Bear. What vowel can you hear in bear? E sound? Yes, it's the vowel E. Very good. Alright. Now we are going to match these pictures with the consonant. Okay? With the beginning consonant. With the beginning letter. Listen. Bed. Bed. What consonant, what letter can you hear in bed? The letter T? No. The letter B? Yes. We have to match. We are going to make a line over here. It's a line. Mirror. Mirror. What is the beginning letter in mirror? M or N? M or N? Mirror. Yes, it's a mirror. Yes, we already matched it. Necklace. 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 Begins with the letter M or N? N. Yes, with the letter N. Lamp. Lamp begins with the letter P or with the letter L. Lamp. Lamp begins with the letter L. Very good. Now we are going to continue with the next page. Let's continue with the next page. And we are going to match a line. Let's draw a line from the picture to the letters. For example, the number one is, letter, let me see. This is a tiger. Tiger begins with a letter T, B, M, H. Tiger. Yes, tiger begins with the letter T. Very good. And this is a horse. Horse. Which is the beginning letter in horse? Let me see. T? No. B? No. M? No. Horse. Yes, it's the letter H. Yes, very good. Bear. Bear. Which is the beginning letter in bear? The letter B or the letter M? Yes, it's the letter B. And the last one is a monkey. And monkey begins with the letter M. Good job. See you next time. Bye-bye.